Welcome back to my channel. I actually have had this wall up in my room for a while now, but I actually haven't finished it. As you could see in the bottom, I want to fill in all that space right here. So I figured why not kind of show a video of me finishing my wall up and kind of show you guys how you can make your own version at home. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, on TikTok, and then don't forget to subscribe as well. I guess without further ado, let's go on and get started with this video. The main color that I picked that I wanted most of the pictures to be based on is obviously the color pink. I have a bunch of quotes that have pink in the background just because I feel like it kind of cleans up the whole thing. I included personal photos of me, like this one is like at Music Midtown. I have images of like where I want to travel someday. And then I have a bunch of like Post Malone photos, so you'll see that one. This one right here. And yeah, so that's kind of what the whole thing consists of, putting big moments in your life that year, at least in your wall. That makes it look really good. Before I actually like begin printing out more pictures, I was gonna say that every single photo that's up here that's like a quote or just something where I'm not personally in it, I'm gonna have all in one Pinterest board, so that way you guys could print them out in case you like the specific one that I used. I'll make sure to put my Pinterest somewhere on the screen, and then it's all gonna be under the same Pinterest board, so I'll give you guys more details on that in the description box. Okay, so I got this. Move all the cables. My laptop on there. Okay. So I actually have my printer all set and ready to go. It kind of is an old printer. I've definitely had it for a while now, so I feel like it's definitely huge, and once it doesn't work, I'm honestly gonna like exchange it for a different, much smaller printer. Oh yeah, I need to add paper as well. Honestly, you want to have a good amount of paper because it's gonna take a lot of paper. The next thing you want to do is pull up Pinterest. If you guys don't use Pinterest already, I definitely recommend it because you just get so much inspiration for literally anything in life. This is my profile right here. I think you just type in like Julia Ramirez and then you find me. So you go to my boards. You guys could kind of see that I have a bunch of different boards. I don't know, I'm honestly kind of addicted to Pinterest, not gonna lie. So this is the board I was looking for. It's the wall prints board, if it'll load. Okay, so I have added some images in here of more photos that I kind of want to add in my wall. This is the board I'm actually going to make official for you guys to go in, and I'm going to add all the photos that I use in my wall to make it easy for you guys to just print them out if you like them. I'm going to print these out, and then I'll definitely have to look for more because I still have a good amount of like empty spaces in my wall. Like I mentioned earlier though, this little gap is what I want to fill in. I also have random gaps on my wall, like right here and like in this corner and then like up here, that I need to figure out what to do with. Basically what I'm gonna do from here on out is just right click each individual photo and then download it. After you download the photo, it's gonna pop up and you'll just click print. Make sure you're definitely changing the size of each photo because it just makes things more interesting once you like cut it out. I changed this one to 150. I'm gonna make sure my printer is on and then print that out. I'm actually gonna remove this leopard print one. Honestly, I really never liked it. I just kind of slapped it on because I wanted to finish my wall. And I'm gonna kind of look around and see if there's any more I want to remove, just so I could kind of update my wall a little bit. It has been a while now. As you can see, I definitely did print a bunch more things out. I printed out something with Madison Beer because I love her. I also printed out Stormy because her Halloween costume was literally iconic. I'm probably not done printing things out yet. I also have more right here, but I am gonna start kind of cutting everything up because I want to see what it looks like on the wall. Alright guys, so I have cut out most of the photos. There's a few of them that I didn't cut out because like I'm not too sure if I want them on my wall yet, but the ones that I'm 100% certain about I did cut out. I'm actually going to go ahead and tape them up on the wall just so that way I could get an idea of how they're coming out and how many more I need to like cover the entire space. Chances are that I'm still going to have to print out a few more. In case you guys are wondering, I just use regular tape to put them on the wall, but I make sure to put them in 4 corners. That way they won't kind of like bend over and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the wall. I put tape on all 4 corners. Double-sided tape would be a lot more easier, but I just don't have any. So I just kind of make my own double-sided tape with my own tape. I've started to kind of fill up the bottom a little bit. So I finally finished the god dang wall. It took me forever and literally my fingers have like, I don't even know if you guys could see it, but it has like ink all over the tip. Really do encourage you guys to make a wall like this, even if it's only like part of your wall or something, because it really does spice up your room and it kind of adds a personal touch that not just anybody could have. That's actually it for today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and on here. Subscribe down below if you guys like this video. So I will catch you guys in the next video. So bye.